How to delete recently watched history from Weverse app. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To delete recently watched history from Weverse app, open your Weverse app. Now here on bottom of your screen, you will find different navigation options. So on bottom right hand side, you will find this icon more, so tap on it. Now here on middle of your screen, you will again find different icons. So here you will find this icon recently watched, so tap on it. Now here you will find all of the videos that you have watched. So to delete it from your history, what you need to do is here on top right hand side you will find this icon edit, so tap on it. Now select the video that you want to remove from your history. Here let me select this one. You can select as many videos as you want. So after selecting them, simply tap on this delete icon located on top right hand side of your screen. And within few seconds, the video will be deleted from your recently watched history. This is how you can delete recently watched history on Weverse app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.